So hi, my name is Sarvesh and you're watching D365 Notes. Agenda of today's video is financial dimension, in where we will be covering about basic how to create financial dimension and how the financial dimension work and what is the use of financial dimension in D365 Finance and Operation. So let's start. So I will explain you how the financial dimension work in D365 system. So for example, this is a company and the company is having a department. Under a department, there can be multiple department like finance, HR, and IT. Okay. Now, this is the financial dimension, and this is the financial dimension value under that financial dimension. What are the departments? Department is a financial dimension, and these are the value of financial dimension like finance, HR, and IT. Now, there is a main account. This is the main account, okay? Or it is some kind of expense main account in which all the expense transaction are posted. Now, total expense posted in a month or in a day is 10,000. Now, let's see. In D365 Finance and Operation, using financial dimension, we can track uh, like whatever spend or expense generated on this specific main account, we can track using financial dimension. For example, when a user is posting any entry, okay, so at that time he can tag a financial dimension department. So for example, when user is posting expense entry of 3000, at that time he will select this main account and tag the financial dimension department as a finance. So in D365 it will store finance department whatever the spend. Now for example, department has spent 4000. Similarly, IT department has spent 3000. So what finance and operation will do, it will combine all the data in this main account and it will segregate all the data on the department dimension, and under the department dimension, whatever dimension value is available, it will segregate all the data on dimension values. So I will show you in the system once we have started all posting journal entries how this work, or I will take one example and I will show you how this department and financial dimension value works. So this is the basic understanding of financial dimension. So if you have any doubt or query, you can reach me on the comment section. I would love to reply or give you a suggestion on comment. So please comment if you have any doubt or query. So let's get to the system. This is my finance and operation system. I will go to modules, then general ledger. Under the general ledger, you will see chart of accounts, and under the chart of accounts, you will see dimension, and under dimension, you will see financial dimension. So click on financial dimension. You will be redirected to financial dimension page. If you have seen chart of account and is a global form, similarly it is financial dimension is also a global form. Global form stand for it will be available in these dimensions are available in all the legal entities. Means from not only TLL, you can access this financial dimension from all the available legal entity in the D365 Finance and Operation, whether it is a demo environment or whether it is a production environment or whether it is a sandbox. You can see this data in anything. So there are two type of financial dimension, but one is custom dimension and one is derived dimension. So what is custom dimension? Today we will be discussing about custom dimension. So custom dimension means by default in D365 multiple financial dimensions are available. For example, if I click on new, and you will see these are the dimension available. These are the derived dimension. But when you are selecting custom dimension, you can select or create your own dimension name. For example, TLL department. Okay. So it is showing that update to dimension will not affect until dimension activation is run. Means, let me close this. I will save. Means, once you have created dimension, and by default the status of dimension will be inactive. If I try to activate also, it will not allow me to activate, because we have to put the system in maintenance mode you in the LCS portal. And there are two ways to activate the dimension. One is putting system in the maintenance mode, and one is using DEMF. So we will be covering about DEMF. I will show you the process how you can do it by yourself without any technical help or without any access to LCS. Okay, so this is the custom dimension. For example, here you will see administration. So administration, under administration you will see dimension value mask. It is similar like what we have covered on chart of accounts, where you can, for example, you can put hashes that when you are creating a dimension, it will not exceed more than 4 values. So let me save. After that, you will see here dimension value. Means under the dimension department, we have created finance, IT, similarly like HR department, we can create. So I will show you. Just click on dimension value and click on new button. Here I will put, let me put 1001. Okay, if I put 1000, sorry, 10014, it will not allow because we have entered the dimension mask, and it will not allow more than 4 character of value. So I will put 1001. First dimension is finance. Similarly, I will put one more dimension, 1002, which is my HR department. Similarly, I will put 1003 is an IT department. Okay, this is IT department. Now, this is how you can create a dimension value into the D365 Finance and Operation. Now you can see active from and active to. So if you are selecting any active to or active from and active to, then for a specific period of interval, the dimension will be active, and after the to date is reached, it will be closed or suspended. Means the dimension will be suspended, and you cannot can no longer use that specific dimension value. So this is similar like main account, active from and active to. So you can use that. Now you will see here suspended. Means once you click on suspended, you cannot use this at dimension value specifically as a finance. If you are suspended, you cannot use this financial dimension value your general entry posting or any transaction posting. Now you will see here calculate total from multiple dimension. So if you have like click on this total button will be enabled, and you can put all the from and to value in the total section, and it will evaluate, and you can do the total. Similarly, you can mark as do not allow manual entry. If your requirement is that this dimension should not have any manual intervention, this should be using a sub ledger entry, then you can mark this do not allow manual entry. Similarly, you can assign a honor. Means you can assign a responsible person for this financial dimension, so who will be controlling this dimension. Now this is the thing, a basic thing in the dimension value. And here you can select a legal entity override. So if I have selected, we have discussed this legal entity override in our main account video, but I will explain you or give you basic overview. So if I have selected this trade link, this is my legal entity override. I cannot see this department in any other legal entity, or I can mark this as a suspended for this specific legal entity, in it can be useful for other legal entity. Similarly, I can do and play with this legal entity override. Similarly, we have active from and active to feature available. And for example, if we have any other also, I can define honor. So for example, this for this it is a Jody, and for this it is a Charlie. So I can mention my honors as per my requirement, but let me remove this. I am not using this legal entity override feature. Now this is about the basic financial dimension value for custom dimension. So we have covered about custom dimension, not everything. Basic thing, I have given you the basic overview of custom dimension in the D365 Finance and Operation. So in the next video, we will be talking more about custom dimension and derived dimension, how to activate the dimension. In upcoming videos, we will be discussing about these topics. So I think that's it for today. I will see you in the next video. Till that time, tada, bye bye. See you in the next one.